YouTube, what's good, man? It's your boy Chapo Blends, checking in again with another video this week. And today I wanted to talk to y'all about some motivational thing that been going on for this week for me. You know, first off, I got 127 subscribers on the road to 130, really on the road to 200, but last month I had over like 80 subscribers. So in the past month I elevated, and I'm really thankful for y'all, for the support, and everybody that rock with me, and everybody that I know personally that I've been telling to subscribe to me. Appreciate for the love and the subscribes and the comments and likes and everything. You know, shout out to my brothers from barber school at NBA. You know, y'all know who y'all are. Thank y'all for the support, man. If you don't follow me on Instagram either, go follow me at Chapo Blends, ChapoBlendz, and that's all of my social medias as well. I wanted to talk to y'all today about motivation into if you in barbering or just starting barbering, and you are in barber school or trying to go to barber school, or you already graduated barber school and you still barbering and you still trying to find a passion, or not a passion but a spark in your career, or in the barbering career industry, whatever you want to call it. I just want to tell y'all that stick through, man. God works his power, man. I've literally came from scratch, man. I remember like almost 2 years ago when I couldn't really cut, and I was cutting before quarantine, but as soon as quarantine hit, you know, it helped me elevate my haircutting skills a little bit. But when I came to barber school and met different people and different styles and different ways to cut, I really elevated more. But it's just, you gotta stay consistent. And yeah, I had moments where I just wanted to give up and be like, hey, it's not for me and stuff like that. But I stayed through, man. I stayed consistent. I trust the process. I had people who were leading me. I had good leaders in my team. I got good people that motivate me every day. My girlfriend motivates me too, and she's always telling me to keep going. My parents, my family, you know, in general, and just me and myself, you know. I want to talk to you about how to, you know, give yourself that good self-esteem in this barber career, because it gets tough, man. Stuff don't happen overnight. We are all witness of that. Even it don't matter what you do, man. Stuff don't happen overnight. Things don't happen, man. You don't become Instagram famous, or you don't become the best barber overnight, man. It takes time to elevate. So I really want to talk to y'all about that. I also want to talk about how Bossio followed me on Instagram, and it just took the simplest thing, and I feel like I've been debating that for the longest, you know. But I also feel like my work and my ethic and my hard work helped me get the follow. And I mean, a lot of people don't feel like, oh, it's just a follow. You know, you probably follow 1,000 more people back, but I just feel like that was really self-esteem for me. You know, it boosted my self-esteem, and I was literally just laying down, and I was recording. I had just messed around in my barber room, and I put my computer in there because I was trying to find a way where I want to set up, and I put it in there, and I started recording while I was cutting, and then I cleaned up and everything. I was like, man, this is what it takes to grind, man. You just got done cutting and whatever, or recording a video, and then you sitting in the same spot you cutting at to edit. But you know, I recorded and I tagged them. I tagged Get Beam too, and they both posted it. But Bossio followed me back, and when he followed me back, some supporters from his page and his follow path, they followed me too. They showed love. They liked all my pictures. So it's just, it motivated me to keep going, to keep striving for greatness, and keep chasing the dream, man. And barbering really changed me a lot, man. Barbering really helped me create this what can I say, like happiness, but just a happiness, helpful way of feel. Like when I cut somebody's hair and they like it and they exit the door, I feel good about myself. That's what's crazy about it. And I never thought I would. Like, I always was a people's person, but I never thought that me giving somebody a haircut that they wanted would make me feel so happy. And I feel like this is what I was made for. So I'm just here to give y'all some gems about keeping everything controlled. Like, if you feel like giving up and stuff, man, cut it out. You know, so the first thing I wanted to talk about was to keep get all the negativity out of your way, man. If you wake up and you just feel like, man, today is not my day, you know what I'm saying? You are going to have a bad day. And I feel like you should just get the negativity, man. If you're going to your barbershop to work, or if you're going to barber school, or if you're just getting up in general, you should always thank God first, and then get up and then do your hygiene, man. Brush your teeth, clean your face, make your bed, or etc. You know, things like that. Then you should. I recently just got me a dry erase board where I put like things to do in short goal terms and stuff like that, to always remind myself the things that I want to do, the things that I gotta do, and the things that I should do for me to progress and have an amazing day, or things like that. To always remember that I want to, be great, to keep going. So I got like my things to do, you know what I'm saying? And it's just not barbering, it's personal life things too that I need to work on. So I do that as well, you know. But me, honestly, what I do is I wake up. Sometimes I wake up late, so I might wake up a little grumpy, but I always remember that I woke up, I thank God, and I go to school. I try to like get a coffee in between there to, feel a little boost up, to get up. But I go to school, I see everybody that are friends, my friends and stuff, my instructors, and I just get happy because I'm doing what I love. So I feel like when you do things like that, you should always remember the small things that are around you, man. You woke up, you got a car to go, or you got a loved one that you woke up next to, and things like that. It's just the smallest things that help you, continue in your journey, or you chasing your dream. The second thing that I want to talk about is never think or look at the other man's hand. Never say, oh, because he got it now doesn't mean it didn't take him forever to get it. If you see all these barbers like Vic Blings, Chris Bossio, 360 Jeezy, Get Beam, you see all these other great barbers and stuff, you feel like, man, they're doing the same thing I did. Why I can't be like them, man? It takes time and progress, man. Like, it's just a progress. I used to watch Chris Bossio way before I even started barber school and stuff like that. And I was watching him just because of the things that he was vlogging, life of him. He got a page, I think, Life of Chris Bossio, go check it out, shout out to him. But I always watch his videos. Why? Because it gives me motivation, not just because I just want to watch it and you know what I'm saying, I get down. I watch it for motivation. That's the thing that I also want to talk about, man. If you like a barber, if you understand where they come from, and you keep watching them, watch them, man. There's nothing wrong with that. You learning from him, and also you feel connected, and you feel like you can do it too. If they can do it, you can do it. So just stay consistent with everything. But yeah, I watch Bossio, I watch Jeezy, I watch all these barbers to get motivated, and I do my own thing too, So I feel like that's a good motivation for me to keep striving, because I know they recorded when they didn't have a way, and they were making a way, and how everything took time. So I feel like it's the same thing for me, man. I'm just keep going and waiting. I also wanted to talk about the third thing I want to talk about is just focus on your craft, man. Focus on your craft. You gotta be how can I say this? You gotta let the people judge you. You gotta let other barbers judge you. You gotta if they tell you, hey, you could have did this, you could have did that, you shouldn't get mad, bro. You should get glad that he's giving you gems as well. There's a lot of people that might charge for this. You got to go to classes. So if it's another barber in barber school, in a barber shop, or your own clients can tell you, hey, you can do this, you can do that, don't get mad, man. You always going to learn every day. Even when you graduate barber school, you're going to learn way more than what barber school teaches you. And when you in the shop, you're going to learn way more from your other work partners, or your other co-workers. You can learn from them, man. So that's another third thing I want to talk about, is that you should not get down when somebody tells you, hey, this haircut didn't look good, or hey, you could have did this better. You should always take that and consider it and be like, hey, I'm gonna study it. Take a picture, man. You got to take a picture of your progress every time that you did a haircut or a video or etc. take a picture of it, man, and just keep it and keep reminding yourself, hey, I gotta do this better. I gotta pick my game up. I gotta do this, so stuff like that matters, a motivation for you too, to get up and go chase your dream. Fourth thing that I wanted to talk about was, if you are like me, for example, I like to create, I like to edit, I like to do my own things. So if you are your own barber, if you're a barber and you know how to do these tech things like record yourself and edit yourself and add music to, stuff like that, do it, man. It gives you more motivation. It gives you more time, more strive. It gives you more striveness. It gives you energy to go do it, man. Your videos look like the next person videos, but keep going and keep going, motivate yourself. That's stuff like that excites me, man. I put music in my videos. I do these cool edits. It might not look like Jeezys or Bossios and stuff like that, but it gives me motivation to do it. I did it, you know what I'm saying? I got people viewing. My last post I posted, it was not a tutorial, it wasn't nothing, but it was informative for people that wants to be great in life. They want to be better barbers. They want to succeed. They want to know the pros and cons. They want to know all this. I had 30 views. Those are the most views I had in one day, and I'm proud of it. That motivated me. That keep making me keep going. That's the reason why I'm doing this video today on motivation. Especially what happened, with me this week, that Bossio followed me and it just gave me motivation. And I just wanted to let y'all know how I felt about that. The fifth thing is, just make friends, man. Make barber friends, not just friends that don't understand the barber, because a lot of people ain't gonna have the barber eye. A lot of people ain't gonna understand the grind of a barber. A lot of people gonna feel like barbering is not compared to what they do and stuff like that. So I'll say to keep a circle of barbers in your circle. My bad, y'all, but keep a barber circle of friends. They will help you. They'll motivate you. One barber might do this, one barber might do that, and y'all just do different things, but it comes together like a group. Y'all might go on shows. Y'all might go out of town and go do these meetups and stuff like that. So just have a group of friends that are barbers. It motivates you. It helps you, man. I got friends right now. I got John and Gio that I always hang around with. They support me. They help me. They criticize me on things, and I take it and motivate myself too. So I appreciate them. I appreciate that from them and everything. So they are my barber friends. They go to the same school as I do. So it's just, stuff like that just motivates me every day. So I feel like those are the 5 important things that you should have. Barbers that are in a barbershop, for example, you got friends as well in there. I feel like you should, man. You should, get up and be like, hey, let's do this, let's do that, or just have a relationship, because they're gonna understand you like they're gonna understand you better than other persons that's not our barber, that are not barbers in the game. They're not gonna understand you the same way that your barber friend might understand you, just because they're not barbers. That's how I feel. It's just my opinion. You might feel motivated or something else, but just find somebody that's gonna motivate you to keep striving, keep a good circle, keep a hard working grind circle. That's how I feel. But yeah, those are my 5 things to motivate myself. Motivational, 5 tips that also can help you in life or in your barber career. Like I said, I'm gonna show y'all some clips where Bossio followed me on Instagram, so y'all won't think I'm flogging or this was a clickbait, And if y'all still watching this, I'm sorry I keep bringing the Bossio thing up. It's a big thing for me, man. I literally was watching him after I tagged him on my story, and he mentioned me, and I said, whoa, and I said, babe, look, he mentioned me, and then I checked and he followed me, and I was like, wow, like that's crazy, and it doesn't matter if he doesn't like my stuff, he doesn't like my posts, as long as he sees that I'm working and I'm grinding, that's all that matters, to me. But other than that, man, keep posting, keep doing you, man, motivate yourself, use these tips to motivate yourself to keep grinding, to wake up and then feel like you going to be the best barber today, if not today, tomorrow, but keep going and keep going, and you gonna be there, man. And I feel like that's how we gonna get, in bigger places in barber, man. We gotta make this barber career a big thing, because a lot of people feel like this is just a small trade, but it's really it's really a big thing, man. There's a lot. The barber community is like worldwide. There's barbers in this whole world that are different, man. So that's the beauty of it. It's just art to me. So I like that, man. So I'm gonna bring more videos. I just wanted to drop another video this week and make sure that y'all support and everything, man. Thank y'all for the subscribes and likes and comments. Thank y'all for the follows, the 245 fans that followed me that day. I appreciate y'all if y'all watching this and everything. Chris Bossio, appreciate it, man. Salute. I love everything that y'all do, and I'm behind y'all and everything. And you know, that's what it is, man. You gotta support each other, motivate each other. But other than that, guys, I appreciate you guys for staying with me through this whole video. Thank y'all for the support as well. Make sure y'all like, comment, subscribe on this video, and share it. Follow me on my social medias. And I got y'all a sneak peek of some things that I got coming up in the next month or so. And I wanted y'all to see what I got going on. So after this video, y'all might see a sneak peek of some merch / branding things that I've been trying to put together. So y'all might see that in the next video. I want y'all to let me know what y'all thinking about, man. Comment under this video if y'all rock with my brand. I'm gonna start out with t-shirts and stuff like that, and y'all just comment under the comment section and let me know if y'all really rock with that or not, or keep editing and stuff. I just wanted to do that for the community and everything. So thank y'all, man. It's your boy Chopper Blends, and I'm out.